Introducing the Stand Easy Deluxe Awning by Supa-RV. The Stand Easy Deluxe is 100% Australian made and built to last in the harsh climate and conditions. The Deluxe ERV can be set up in under 60 seconds and utilises a unique hinging system that provides durability and strength as well as assisting in an easy setup. The 100% Australian-made canvas provides maximum protection from the elements. The awning uses Supa-RV's special cross-peg design to reduce the requirement for ropes and increases stability to the awning. The Stand Easy has a wide range of extras available, including awning extensions, walls, LEDs, mosquito screens, and tents. Being a local manufacturer in Queensland, Supa-RV are able to tailor any custom requirements for your vehicle. The Stand Easy Deluxe Awning by Supa-RV. Made to last in extreme conditions, your ultimate vehicle shade solution. Find out more about the quality, durability and strength that is the Supa-RV difference today.